Funny, you go to some of these places and anytime a truck shows up, everybody scatters and nobody knows to unload you, so it's quite humorous.
What's up? Look at the rest of the week.
Morning. Sitting here walking the dogs this morning, getting my steps in. At a place called 3 Mile Bend. Believe it or not, it's actually 3 miles around. And it's called the Bend because it's at the bend in the river. So yeah, we do it just like Cliff Clavin around here. 3 Mile Bend, off-leash dog park. So a little tentative to come here this time because last couple times these dogs who we rescued, who have never really seen wildlife before, and we didn't know they could swim, jumped in the water and started chasing beavers. Yeah, that was exciting. I didn't get film of that. But about a month ago we were here, and there's a moose family that lives in here. And one of the juveniles, they found him, so they went chasing after him. I got a little film of that. Take a look at this. Well, I don't know what he's gonna think he's gonna do, but I can't call my dog back. Rev! So yeah, that, oh, sorry. I'm a little scruffy today, letting the beard grow a bit. Just got up though, showered, and came down here. Walked these mutts. Truck's getting some work done on it. It's getting that rear diff pulled out and redoing the seal on it. The front diff and the rear diff both had a leak, so we're doing them both. I had a loose U-joint as well, so we're getting a new nut for that. The U-joint's fine, and just replacing some seals and stuff. Sorry, terrible camera work. Hopefully it smooths out. But yeah, up bright and early this morning. It's about 7 right now. I got the wife's whip here. We're in her Jeep. Biker dad has my truck, so we have to act like a truck, pull the mutts around. So back there we got 2 pails of 75 weight 90 gear oil and a case of coolant. So I bought those at UFA here in Red Deer. Those pails are $261 each of gear oil, full synthetic for the rear ends. Holy. And then I just bought some more stuff here. See, I got all sorts of goodies here. Oil pan gaskets, cab filters. We got what do we got here? We got all sorts of goodies. We got nuts for U-joints, seals. So it's been an expensive day. It's been an expensive day. So all right, let's go see what Doc's up to. And another thing, nothing like having days off when you're sick as a dog. 4 days now I've been sick. Oh, I tell you what. Why we say sick as a dog? Because they look fine to me. Good morning. Alright, we're kind of jumping around here. I've loaded last night. Back in the saddle. Truck's all fixed. Hey, I just want to, here's what we got there a little bit. Just want to elaborate on those dogs chasing that moose. The moose luckily was just a juvenile, so he did stomp the white dog, but she's built like a cinder block, so she just kept going. She'd roll, the little fella, you'd give her a little stomp, she'd just keep going at him. I don't know. I ended up having to go in and grab them dogs. That black dog, he's pretty slippery, so he never got hit, but I ended up trouncing, or whatever you say, sloshing my way through all that muskeggy watery stuff. I actually had to pick up that white dog and carry it, because you know, once they get into that zone, you can't call them back or break them out of it. So I had to actually carry her. That's why I got such a close. And then that moose, he's just used to dogs around there, so you see how close I was with that picture. It was pretty exciting. Yeah, real freaking fun. Anyway, so I got the rear ends done. Just we got a lot of oil in here because I got to pull the axles out in order to pop the rear ends off. In order to pop, you know, take the drive line off and then pop the rear end off, reseal it, gasket it, pop her back on, and then they push the axles back in, both sides here. But she was leaking, but she's looking good now. Should be good. There was only a little bit of metal filings in it, so it was good. Got some new tires on the front axle here. So yeah, we're ready to roll. But here's what I got so far. Loaded up. We're heading southbound, heading to Oklahoma and Wyoming. So, oh shit, I think I got about 6 drops on this little piece already. And I'll show you what I gotta. I'm gonna earn my keep here today. I'll show you what I gotta throw on the back there. Let's go take a look. Alright, so we gotta get them skids. That skid, that yellow thing, and that skid. Oh boy. Do, 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 do. These 3 crates, these 8 crates, all onto the back of this guy. And make it so that we can drop them easily, get after them easily. And so our weights are good. And so nothing gets damaged. Oh, she's gonna be a good day. It's Saturday, beautiful day out here. Stay tuned, heading south. Alright, bye for now. Alright. Well, it took forever, which is expected. But I got most of it, well, not most of it, I got it all on here, so. Yay me. It's ugly. It's ugly, but I got it on here. I'm only gonna be rolling with about 20. Hey, little fella. Hey, where'd you come from? Hey, I have never seen you here before. Hopefully nobody came and dropped you here. Hey, hey, what are you doing? Hey, oh, friendly little fella. So yeah, that's a house cat. Somebody came and dropped in an industrial park. Hey, why not? Hey. I tell you what, if you're one of those people that do that, hey, give me a call. I'd like to meet up with you one day. Anyway, did the best I can with what I got here. You can't follow me, man. I'm going someplace you can't go. Got these ugly things on here, so that's what's going to be the hard part. You can't totally torque them down, so we're gonna do the right thing and just roll with them like that, as well as we're gonna throw the devil's blanket on here. So here's what we got. Rolling south. Hopefully I don't have a mascot. Oh yeah, now he's real. Well, maybe get him some water, see if I got anything he can eat in the truck. We'll have to leave him though. But don't leave your pets, guys. Don't leave your pets. Don't drop them. If you can't feed them, can't afford them, just put a notice out. Help. Got to get rid of my pet. Somebody will take him. Take him to a shelter. At least give him a chance. Alright. Okay. That's it. Southbound. Bye for now.